Ladies and gentlemen, this morning we had fantastic, marvelous, beautiful morning on oil. Oh, we've been taking it only up. This morning we came to the markets and let's see what has played out. Oil reminded you, don't be silly and don't get tempted. Don't buy anywhere near reversal zone. What did I do? I waited for collapse to finish, and I had taken along from here up till here. We also saw on the initial attempt the buyers were extremely weak. We didn't touch the weak buyers. We waited for the power, and we had taken another long outside of decision point 1. And here is my first target. We knew to expect incredible struggle first. My stop is at break-even. My stop is currently, even if you bought pretty late, at break-even, at about 150 level. So here it is. That's precisely the reason why I'm so excited about Fibonacci Bootcamp. No fluff, no baloney, no babysitting here. Nobody would be tortured right now by the fluff on S&P. S&P reminded you what happens if you buying into the end of the minor trend. Price remains magic, and that's why I can't wait for the bootcamp. You just met Mr. Drone. He's to be respected and adored. The power of the price and Fibonacci never cease to amaze you. And if you are special enough and lucky enough to be in a bootcamp, especially if you just joined education course, you'll be amazed how much you will see. Price is the best puzzle that there is. And that was amazing morning on oil. Let's see what it will do next. If it has enough power to break through my first target, my next target is 189. I know better to expect powerful selling pressure there. And that's precisely the reason why I posted this morning on forum. My bias is bullish if you're a day trader, because we know where oil is on daily charts, correct? When you see the combination of daily and hourly charts, you know what happens. As a day trader, your bias is bullish. This was what I posted since mid-June on the social media and blogs. Expect buy from 102. It played out outside of trading room hours. Pay attention to what happened at decision point 2. Price collapsed at that level. What did I spell out early this morning? I spelled out that if price will break through this level, expect the push to the upside. Oil staging corrective bullish moves. Long-term bias on weekly remains bearish. Expect to see 98 to the downside. So far on weekly, it's only bullish corrections. So which trader are you? Are you trading weekly? Or are you trading hourly and daily? Are you a day trader or are you a position trader? That remains the key. And if you knew where reversal zone is, you had quite phenomenal bearish opportunity. And that's precisely what played out on oil weekly. All the levels spelled out since 2012 had been reached. And that's the power of the price. And that's the power of Fibonacci. Oil on weekly still heading all the way to 98. And as soon as I can give you the precise projection based on the rules, I will let you know. And I love what I see on S&P. Something we've been waiting for patiently is playing out. So let's see what is happening with Mr. Drone. Oh, poor Drone is stuck. How marvelous is that? How predictable. Know your levels, know where to take profits off the table, and the skies are the limits. You can trade hourly, you can trade daily, weekly. Whatever speaks to you and your comfort zone remains. The answer only you know. And that's the power of the price. Oil is struggling to break through this level. Beautiful oil trade, continue rallying. I'm adjusting my trail closer, right outside of reversal zone. We are here 60 ticks later. Is that clear? That's the power of the price and Fibonacci. I expect a pullback at any moment. It is completely expected that oil would find selling pressure here. That's why trailing properly is extremely important. And that's precisely the reason why my bias was bullish. Because when you see the confirmation of very, very powerful levels on daily, you know that this is not to be ignored. But to the upside, 101.34 remains the key. It would be shocker if oil will blast through this level. In the trading room, we trade small time frames. While our bias on weekly remains bearish, on daily price giving us bullish correction, in day trading room we take long, short, vice versa as we riding hourly waves. What's appropriate for you, your psychological comfort and your account size? Only you know the answer. And as posted on Fibonacci forum, my bias for day trading was bullish, and that's the reason why I had taken only bullish trades. And that's what we'll be concentrating in Fibonacci Bootcamp as of July 28th. That's open only to our students and only to those who graduated from the course and would like to come back for more of Fibonacci. And seeing the very first student, Ralph, who I started with almost 3 years ago, coming back for more is an incredible gift. Can't wait to see you there.